New Leader Manufacturing was founded with a singular focus: to build the best equipment possible. For over 80 years, it's been our business to make sure our customers have the tools to apply precisely what they need when they need it. New Leader Manufacturing creates solutions before our customers even discover the need, making us leaders in the industry. We believe in safety, service, and quality. We believe in our employees and treat them like family. While our customers are spreading salt to de-ice a highway or spreading nutrients to fertilize a crop, we spread good, locally and globally, making our community and world a better place. An industry leader, we work with farmers to ag retailers and municipalities to contractors, nationally and globally. Since 1939, start to finish, we do it all here. New Leader Manufacturing.